In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a backup of a Squarespace website. If you want a simple way to protect your site before making changes, duplicating your website in Squarespace is one of the easiest options. This gives you a copy of your current site setup, which can be very helpful if you ever need to refer back to the original version or restore content manually later on. It's a smart step to take before redesigning pages, updating layouts, or testing major edits. To begin, go to your Squarespace account dashboard where your websites are listed. Once you're on the website you want to back up, look for the three-dot menu associated with that site. This menu opens additional site options that aren't shown directly on the main dashboard. Click the three dots to reveal the available actions. From that menu, select Duplicate Website. This tells Squarespace that you want to create a copy of the site as it currently exists. The duplicate can serve as a backup version, giving you a separate site copy to keep as a reference. This is especially useful if you're about to make changes that could affect design, structure, or content, and you want a safer starting point. After selecting that option, Squarespace will usually ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and click Duplicate again to continue. Once you do that, the system will start creating the copy of your website. This process can take a little while, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. The time may vary depending on the size and complexity of the site. While you wait, it's best to let the process finish without interrupting it. Avoid refreshing unnecessarily or clicking around too much if Squarespace is still working. When the duplication is complete, you should see the copied version appear in your dashboard as a separate website. That's the full process for creating a backup in Squarespace using the duplicate feature. Keep in mind that this method is useful for making a working copy of your site inside Squarespace, so it's a practical option for internal backup purposes before edits or updates. It's also a good idea to clearly rename the duplicated site afterward so you can easily identify it later, especially if you manage multiple websites. And that's it. Once your duplicate is created, you'll have a backup version of your Squarespace website, ready to use as a safety copy whenever you need it.